Hey, sixth graders. So we have finished up our small unit on what figurative language is, and now we are ready to move into a bigger unit about language in a broader sense. So with our figurative language unit, we were trying to figure out what figurative language is and how it exists in our world. But now we're moving on to how can language inspire people. So working in partners, this is going to be the big answer that we're going to try to answer over the next few weeks. So you're going to work collaboratively in a small group based on your topic, which we're going to figure out later. So you're going to be grouped based on your topic, and together you guys are going to create a multimedia poem. In this multimedia poem, you're going to use poetic devices, persuasive techniques that express an emotional message enough to move an audience. So again, we're trying to figure out how we can use language to inspire or move an audience. Don't worry if you're watching this and you're thinking, oh man, I don't know what a poetic device is, or I don't know any persuasive techniques. That's what we're going to explore over the next few weeks while we're working on this project. On your screen right now, you're looking at how we're going to break this project down into some smaller steps. So first, you have to choose a meaningful topic or a message. For example, you might be really passionate about bullying, so that's what you would choose to use for your project. Then, based on the topic that you choose, we're going to form teams that share a same message. So other people in your class who want to do bullying for their topic are going to be in a group with you. Just like with the figurative language project, I want you to be as creative as you can be. So I'm going to show you some resources that you have to create your project. Then with your group members, to make sure that everyone is doing their fair share of the work and everything just flows smoothly throughout this project, you're going to list, prioritize, and assign tasks. Then you guys are going to work together to research different poetic devices and persuasive techniques. Then you're going to work together to plan, write, revise, and edit, and then publish a team multimedia poem. Hopefully those steps look a little familiar with the plan, write, revise, edit, and publish, since those are the steps of the writing process which we looked at in first quarter. Then after 5 to 6 weeks pass, we get to do the fun step where we share our final poem during our poetry premiere, and that's when we all get to share all the hard work that we've done and celebrate these amazing multimedia poems that you guys have created. So hopefully you're wondering how you're going to be evaluated during this project. We're going to look at 21st century skills. This project has a lot of collaboration, a lot of creativity, a lot of communication, and a lot of critical thinking. So those are some 21st century skills that are going to be assessed. And then of course I'm going to look at the final poem, look at how you use sound devices, word choice, presentation, and then organized it all together. And of course I will post the actual rubrics that are going to be used to assess you on Google Classroom, so that way you can examine those as you wish. If you are still sitting there watching this video thinking, okay, I really don't understand this project, it seems like it's going to be really hard, there are a lot of different components involved, I really have no idea what poetic devices means or sound choice or persuasive techniques, don't worry. We are going to go through all these things step by step, and then before you go out and work with your group, I am going to show you some specific examples that students have made in the past to help you understand what this final product might look like.